I think they could. I think, what happened today was that basically Facebook and Twitter admitted that there are flaws in their platforms that are going to require significant changes. And with those significant changes comes increased costs, and that's going to negatively impact profits. When you look at Dorsey, the other negative, from his testimony was that he made it clear he was prepared to take apart and reassemble the company's business model to get it right. And so that uncertainty, surrounding the strategic direction of the company didn't help his cause. But, I think for the tech sector as a whole, what you don't want to see as an investor is more regulation. And, we don't know what's going to happen. We don't know the potential of the onerous regulations going forward. So that's going to be uncertainty that hangs over the tech sector for quite some time. The other issue, with Trump, who knows who he's going to go after next. But he's mentioned Amazon before, whether that company should be broken up. So tech should remain very strong. It's a growth leader, the key to productivity gains around the world. Valuations are very high. They reflect this. But there is a cloud of uncertainty now with the potential for increased regulation, which would not be good for these companies.
Okay, so what are you doing here when it comes to investment in these tech plays, Channing?
Well, we're kind of at the point where if you look at Apple, we like Apple, we like Google, we like these companies, Amazon, but they've had big runs. And so really where we're focusing right now is looking at more value-oriented sectors like financials, energy, more defensive sectors like healthcare, utilities, those areas. If we want to take more risk right now, what we would say is look to emerging markets. They now trade at a 29% discount to their developed market peers, and even a steeper discount to the U.S. This doesn't come without risk. Emerging markets are going to be volatile, but if you can handle a little risk and you have a 5 to 10 year time horizon, we think emerging markets will be a terrific investment when you look back a decade from now.
Still watching? Perfect. Click here to watch another great video from CNBC International. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.